Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. See here, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and today in this video we'll see how you can insert this memory card. See here, I just unboxed the memory card now, and I'll show you how you can insert it. Now it is already been inserted in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now I'll just take it out, and again I'll be keeping it inside. So to take out, just move a bit inside, means just press a bit inside so that it will pop out. So when you take this out, you will see this symbol. See here, no SD card indication on the screen. So this is the red cop micro SD card, which is 128 GB, right? You need to take this like this. This data part, or what we can say, okay, just remember this, this part, the golden thing part where the data is should be read, should go inside like this. Okay, and see here this exact position. Okay, like this. Okay, gently push inside. Okay, now with your nail tip just move that inside. Insert it properly. See, as soon as you insert that properly, there should be this green light. Okay, and see here, immediately it is showing the time, SD card time of video recording. So I'll be testing it right now. In the 4K it is recording. See here, it's just recording the video clip now. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll be attaching this in the view products. Just check for more details.